Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Sunishri, and this video is a first ever of its type. This is first ever haul video, and as I promised, I'm trying to be more consistent with YouTube. So without talking too much, let's get started. Okay, so I ordered a lot of stuff from Cult Beauty on 10th of August and it got delivered on the 16th of August, which is quite like a long time, almost like a week or so. But then I think it was supposed to get around 14 as I can see here. But then because of Republic Day and everything, it got delayed a bit. But I'm not complaining because it was worth the wait. I only ordered three products which I'm going to show you, and I also got a lot of freebies. My total grand total was 1800 and something, and you will not believe how many products did I actually got into it. And also I will be telling you what all did I get for free, because we all love free stuff, right? So yeah, so let's just start with the unboxing part of it. This here is the package that I got from Cult Beauty, this lilac beauty. If you can see, I am so obsessed with this packaging because when you open it, it says so cult, so cool, and it is so cool. I mean, I really enjoy their packaging. This time around it came like a little broken, the box was little disrupted, but everything inside was quite intact, so I'm not complaining because I have ordered before from Cult Beauty as well. That time the box was like more better. I don't know what to say, and I still have it. I use it to store my makeup, as you can see here. So all of my makeup products, I have just kept it with this box. So yeah, I really love it. So the first thing that I ordered from my own adult money, guys, is actually this is like a restock. This is the Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence from Cosrx. I really love this product. This makes my skin very hydrated, and I do get a lot of compliments. I had been using this since the last 2 months, and then for a month I switched to the 6 peptide skin booster, which has hyaluronic acid, NAG amino acid. I really did like this as well. It also was doing its job, whatever it was supposed to do, and I did not flare up with my acne or anything. But I still really did like this product better, so I thought that I should just go and get this one back. So this is the first thing that I got. The second thing that I got, and I'm very excited to show you guys, is the Tear foundation. I mean, who does not love the Tear foundation? It's a wild foundation, it's from Korea, and I love everything Korean. And obviously makeup was something that I was always spectacle, because I am like a much deeper in skin tone than people in Korea are from, and in general also I have like a deeper skin tone, which I totally love. But yeah, so I think the influencer Gracie, she did comment on it asking them to like vasten their shade range, and they did. And then they launched this Tear in like a better range, whatever. So I ordered myself 35N walnut, and I have still not opened it yet, and I don't know is it like a true match to myself or not, but we'll find it out. And I really hope that it is. This is like the mini version of it. This is not the full size bottle, because I wanted to get like a bigger one, but I always wanted to be more sure of what like is my right shade. And as I didn't know, so I thought ki hum mini wala le lete hain, and then we can like get the bigger one. Then the third thing that I ordered is from Indie Wild. It's their Chumpy hair oil, and I think everybody knows about this product. This is again like a cult favorite. This is something that has been on my feed, and I really like their packaging. It is so nice, and also I love the founder as well. I mean, she's such an amazing person. She's such an inspiring person. I follow her on all the socials, including LinkedIn, and I just like every time that I read all of the stories that she shares and her her branding stories, her marketing strategy there. I absolutely love it. So I wanted to try this for myself. I am a big hair care girly. I love my hair, and I think ever since I moved back from the UK, my hair has been flaring up a bit because of the monsoon season here, and I just wanted to, like, treat myself and give my hair the much needed nourishment that it wanted. So I ordered myself the Indivine Chuppy oil, and this is again like a 50 ml version of it, because every time I think now that I'm trying to, like, try new products, I am trying to hold myself back and then maybe probably order like the smaller version of it, and if I do like it, I can, go ahead and buy the bigger version of it, which is something that I should have started doing way back, but I didn't, so whatever. So this is everything that I ordered, and then I'm going to show you everything that I got for free. As in, so basically what happens in Cult Beauty is that every time you make a purchase, you get some sort of credit, some amount of credit. So I did have that credit note already, because as I told you that I had ordered from them eventually, like way behind in the past during COVID. So I got discounted for them, and then you get these diamond gems, which essentially you can use to avail the freebies. So I got 3 freebies. The first thing that I got is the retinol serum moisturizing sheet mask, and I am very, very excited to be using this is again a Korean product, and I love retinol. Retinol in general has done wonders for my skin. I am in my early 20s, and I think it's like the right time that you should be starting using retinol. And I have not been using retinol since the last 6 months, because for a year or more I was in the UK. I had been continuously using retinol there, but as I said, ever since I shifted back to India, there has been lots of weather changes, and of course food and dietary changes. So it's a active ingredient. It can make a lot of difference into your skincare. It's something that you slowly induce to yourself. So I stopped using retinol, but obviously you can use like a retinol sheet mask every once in a while. So I was very happy to pick it up. And then I have got the Acne Pimple Master patch from Cosrx. So this, I remember when I was in my school, everybody had these. These were the OG pimple patches. I think one of the first that launched in India. And this is the brand through which I got to know that something called as pimple patches. I touch wood very nice, like very kindly. I do not get too much of acne. Every frequently now and then, and I like to apply a pimple patch even when I'm going to the office or somewhere else, because I don't mind. So yeah, so I got it. And then the third thing that I got is from Skin So Good. It's the multi complexion stick. So basically it's like a brown color bronzing stick, but because it's called like a multi-use stick, उसमें यही लिखा था. So I am assuming that you can use it just as a bronzer, as an eyeshadow, and I don't know what else that you can use this for, but yeah, so this is really, really nice. And that's it. I think with that we have completed everything from this video. This is everything that I got, and I'm very, very excited to try these products. And let me know if you want like a swatch video, if you want like a later video wherein I give you like a monthly review, as in what happened to these products. Did it work for me, did it not work for me, or something like that. So I tend to buy a lot of products every now and then, and if you want more such haul videos, I would love to do them for you guys. And yeah, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments down below. Thank you. Bye bye.